Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School. In this session, we are going to start with your Unit 3 and the poem Run. So, let's start the poem. Let's read and enjoy the poem. For this, students, you have to take out your page number 38 of textbook. So, students, take out your page number 38. So, let's start the poem Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. So this is the poem written by Mary Dawn. So we can see in the poem, you can see in the next page itself, there are children running around. So they are very happy, and you can see the grassland also, that is the meadow. You can see hillside, and beneath the trees means under the trees all the children are running. So let's see one by one paragraph what the poet is trying to say. So first paragraph, the poet is trying to say, away from the city means the child want to be away from the buildings, and he want to go in the sun. He want to run out to the country so that he can play. So what he want to run away from the city, means from these buildings and bungalows. He want to go outside into the sun. So he wants to run and play. Run in the raindrops. Raindrop means when there is a rainfall. He wants to run in the rainfall also. Under the tree. Beneath the tree means under the tree. He wants to run small races with what? With little breeze. What do you mean by, students, breeze? Breeze means a light and present wind. So a child wants to run a little races with a pleasant little breeze. So means he wants to be very happy. He wants to even enjoy the rainfall. He wants to even enjoy outside the country. He wants to enjoy and run. So now third paragraph is, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. So in the third paragraph, we can see the child wants to run down to the hillside. Now hillside is, hills, that is the surface from the top to bottom. The surface between top to bottom is said to be hillside. So students, what the child wants, he wants to run down the hillside. He wants to run down the hillside and run to the lanes. So he wants to go through the meadow. So what does meadow means? Meadow means a field with grass and wildflowers. You can see in the picture itself. We can see a hillside also. You can see a grass field with wildflowers. So a child wants to run down the hillside and run to the lane and run through the meadow. He wants to run and play. So we can see also all the children, they usually like to run and play. So this is the poem all about playing and childhood memories. Then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. So in the last paragraph again, the poet is trying to say that run and be merry means run and be happy. All the day you should be happy and run away from the country. So students, I hope you are clear with the poem. I'll summarize a little. The child wants to run away from the country. He wants to run in the raindrops and under the tree. He wants to play little races with a pleasant breeze, a pleasant wind. And again he wants to run down the hillside. He wants to run through the meadow, and he wants to be merry all the day. That means he wants to be happy all the day. So I hope you are clear with the poem. You have to read and enjoy this poem. So let's see some of the new words of this poem and let's understand some new words. Raindrops. So students, raindrop means droplets of rain. We usually enjoy raindrops. Everyone enjoys raindrops. And the next word is beneath. What do you mean by beneath? Means lower level than something, or you can say under something. That is beneath the trees means under the trees. That's why the poet is again and again saying you have to run under the trees. That is beneath the trees. Breeze. Breeze means a light and pleasant wind. So usually we enjoy morning breeze. The morning breeze is light and pleasant. Even the hillside breeze is very light and pleasant. So the poet wants to run and run little races with each little breeze. Now hillside. Students, what is hillside? Hillside is the surface from, or you can say surface between top to bottom of the hill. Yeah, the hill sloping. You know hills, we all have seen hills. The hill sloping, the surface between top to bottom, that is known as hillside, means the hillside. Now he wants to go to the hillside. And even meadow. Meadow means a field with wild grass and flowers. So the child wants to run through the meadow because we all enjoy meadow. Grasslands and flowers, we enjoy the meadow. So he wants to run through the meadow and run all back again. And lastly, the word merry. Merry means happy. The child wants to be happy throughout the day. Students, you can see in the picture also, the children are so happy running around. So I hope you are clear with this poem. So students, do read the poem and enjoy this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.